Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Tuesday, January 14th, 2025.
I'm Marco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, Pythons. Did you know that our rodeo is tomorrow? There's going to be lots of food trucks, a chili cookout, Miss Homestead Rodeo, and so much more.
So much more. Check it out online.
Now here are your daily announcements. That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and updates. Have a great day. Go Pythons!